Hey guys, welcome to Stack. This is how to get my Facebook Messenger link. So guys, if you ever wondered on how to get your own link onto your Messenger, first is just simply open up the Messenger application into your device. Now, over here, you can just simply go ahead and select menu on the bottom right corner of the screen. And now from here, you can just simply go ahead and go to the settings at the top over here on your screen. Now, here guys, on your settings, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to see the profile category. Here on the profile category, you will have here a username. So currently my username is me.me slash my user. When you tap on it, you will have an option to edit your username. So guys, you can change it. And from here, changing your username will also change your Messenger profile URL and your Facebook profile as well. So from here, you should be able to see if the username is available. And once you are done, you could just simply select save on the top right corner of the screen to change it out. And also, guys, you can copy the link and you can send it to your friends. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.